Hi, my name is Melissa Sanchez. And you are?
I'm Patty Duffner.
And you don't know us. And we're here at the Red Bee, pretty much just keeping my pirate book class. So I'll be teaching this class here at the Red Bee on February 9th at 1 p.m.
It's a weekend.
It's a weekend, it's a Saturday.
Okay.
And here's parts of the book. You can look at
And you could sign up by email going on the website.
You can sign up by actually calling the Red Bee, and all the information on the book is on my blog. It's also on Leah's blog, so check that out. And the class basically teaches you how, well, you get all the parts in the book, obviously, but it's using the Zutter binding system.
Cool. So it's boys or girls?
Boys or girls, yep, absolutely. You got
fun.
there's some glittery bling stuff to it, so works
This
really good.
paper is amazing.
And that paper I actually painted and then just laser printed. So
Wow.
you get a sheet of those.
Custom paper.
Custom paper, yeah, custom embellishments with the phrases, calligraphy phrases.
You did that?
Yeah, I did. Thank you.
Wow. That's very good. It's something to be proud of.
And then some
Journaling.
jewelry. Yeah, I'm not going to do journaling for you. You get
Very
scrolls and all the paper.
This really is huge. You did
So
a
sign
very
up.
good job.
Thank you.
Great job. What have I been up to? Well, let me tell you.
Besides.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't ask.
My husband cannot keep his hands off me.
Yeah,
so
apparently.
I got knocked up.
Again.
Again. No. So we are due in July with our number 4 baby. So
Exciting.
that's exciting news for me. So as soon as we figure out if it's a boy or girl, I'll be scrapbooking baby books, I'm sure.
Nesting. Are they all nesting?
Yes. What I wanted to show you though real quick was a kit club that I belong to, that I'm on the design team for, that I just love and would like to share with you.
Beautiful. I love
So
this.
they're from a kit club called MyKidsInPieces.com.
Oh, and we're using Bow Bunny.
Yes, as the blank
Background.
board book. And then I filled it in with something that I want my kids to know that matters to me. Things like faith and honesty. And these will have close-ups on my blog as
And
well.
chocolate.
And chocolate. Chocolate's not on there, but maybe I'll add it. Hope, things like that. So it's a big journaling book, mostly. A little bit of pictures, not as much scrapbooking.
A quick tour. Here we go.
Okay. Know what matters. And it's not quite done, so that's why I wasn't
Somebody
going to
didn't
do
use
that.
the Zutter to bind this.
Yes, no, I didn't. It's a homemade book.
Very pretty.
Thank you. And I'll have close-ups more of it when
On
it's
your blog?
completed on my blog. There you go. Well, it was good seeing you here.
Same here. Have fun shopping.
Okay, I'll see you at the next scrapbook store, I'm
Okay.
sure. And have your hair down again. You look fabulous.
All right. Thank you.